all the multiples of n, multiples of, sorry, n come in. We should change all the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 in the list to 5, in the list to 5, and rest of the elements, and rest of the element as 0. For example, if an array, in question if array is written or list is written, both are same, huh? Don't worry about this. If an array of 10 integers is as follows. Follows 55, 43, 20, 16, 39, 90, 83, 40, 48, 25. Next line. After executing the function, the array content should be changed as follows. Should be changed as follows. Should be changed as follows. Like next time we go 5, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 means all the elements which are multiple of 5. In that place you have to assign 0. Sorry, you have to assign 5, or in the remaining element which are not multiple of 5, assign 0. Clear? So in first place 55 is given, so 55 की जगह पर 5 आ जाएगा, and then 43 in that place 0, then 20 in that place 5, like this. Clear? Means elements which are multiple of 5, in that place you have to assign 5, or in the remaining element which are not multiple of 5, assign 0. This is your question. Listen, students. First of all, you have to take an number like n equals to int input enter number of elements. This n is for how many elements you want to take. Clear? Then lst is a list variable, or this time at the beginning you have to take list as empty list. So lst equals to bracket open bracket close. After that, for I in range n, this loop is used to take value from the user and assign this value in a list by using append function. Clear? So here a equals to int input enter number in list, then lst dot append in bracket a. That means your new element will assign in list. Okay? lst dot append bracket में a. Then if condition, if the value of first index, that means index number 0, if that place value is completely divisible by 5, okay, so for that you have to write lst in bracket I value of I you will get from the loop, okay, like 0 index, then 1 index, then 2 index, then 3 index, like this. Okay, so lst in bracket I, if this value is divisible by 5, completely divisible by 5, that means it will return remainder 0. So for that you have to use modulus operator. So LSTI modulus 5 equals to 0. If it is correct, then LSTI index equals to 5. You will assign 5 in that list. Okay, in that position. Otherwise means else list I equals to 0. Okay, if number is completely divisible by 5, then you have to assign 5. Otherwise you have to assign 0, and then by the help of loop you have to print your list. List means new or updated list after modification. Just run this program. Number of elements, suppose that I want to enter 5 elements, then list elements are like 55, then 34, then 10, then 45, then 78. Press enter key, you will get answer 50550, because here 55 is completely divisible by 5, 34 is completely divisible by 0, sorry, completely not completely divisible by 5. That means here 0 will come, or then 10 is a multiple of 5, then 5 will come. 45 is also a multiple of 5, then 5 will come. 78 is not a multiple of 5. That means here 0 will come.